So I came down today to downtown LA to do a little bit of street photography. Got off on Broadway. I started Broadway off a train. It's one of my favorite places to shoot. A lot of interesting things around me. So let's see what happens today. I remember coming down here when I was a little kid. I used to come to the $1 Million Theater up the street here just to watch different shows. Good memories. It's a historic Bradbury Building. It's a nice place to shoot, but they changed the rules and now you can only shoot with your phone. But it's still a nice place to shoot. I had to take all these shots with my phone because I wanted to shoot with the camera. Here's another great place to come shoot. The Grand Central Market on Broadway. This is the back end of the Grand Central Market. You go through the market, you can always come through it. And here's Angel's Flight. It goes up towards the Disney building. The place to shoot. Here I am heading back to Broadway. Just checking out the scenery here. It's a lot of cool murals and stuff you can shoot. And I was taking the pictures of these stickers on the signs. Just look around, you'll find something to shoot. Another good shot to take. The bikes here in a row. It's nice black and white. Okay, I'm heading back home. I got tired. But these escalators are actually a good shot. You're taking going a way down and a way up. So stop and look and take a good shot. Bye.